If you're serious about your pickup truck game, whether you're an off-roader, camper, contractor, or weekend warrior, then you'll want to stick around. Today, we're diving into over 30 of the coolest, most functional truck gadgets and accessories that take utility and convenience to the next level. Let's go! 1. Utimaster Trail Core. The Utimaster Trail Core is a rugged, all-aluminum canopy system that means business. With central locking, gas strut-assisted side doors, and internal lighting, it turns your truck bed into a secure mobile workstation. Whether you're a tradie or a weekend adventurer, this setup is built to perform in any condition. 2. Range Industries Rivian Roan T Camp Kitchen. Designed specifically for the Rivian Roan T's gear tunnel, this modular kitchen slides out to reveal a full cooking setup: stove, sink, prep surface, and storage. It's a camper's dream that makes gourmet meals on the trail totally doable. 3. Honda Ridgeline Dual Action Tailgate. An in-bed trunk. Honda's dual action tailgate can swing down or open sideways, offering unique versatility. Combined with the hidden in-bed trunk, which doubles as a cooler or lockable storage, the Ridgeline proves it's more than meets the eye. 4. Ford ProPower Onboard. This system turns your Ford truck into a mobile power station with up to 7.2 kW of output. Perfect for powering tools, appliances, or even backup power at home. Whether you're working remotely or camping off-grid, it keeps everything running. It tracks with your turns and handles heavy loads easily, ideal for contractors and RVers who want cargo space without going full trailer. 6. Pierce Bale Spikes Farm Work just got easier. These attachable bale spikes turn your truck into a hay lifting machine, letting you move around bales with ease. Great for farms, ranches, and anyone dealing with large-scale feed. 7. Sealy Truck Bed Cargo Unloader. No more backbreaking unloading. This simple crank and mat system acts like a conveyor belt, rolling out dirt, mulch, or gravel from your bed in seconds, fast, clean, and efficient. 8. Kodiak Canvas Truck Tent. Made from heavy-duty canvas, this tent mounts in your truck bed for a raised, weatherproof shelter. It's ideal for overlanders who want a quick setup and serious durability against the elements. 9. MOI 4x4 Pickup Truck Crane. Need to lift a generator, engine, or gear solo? This compact crane mounts to your bed and handles the heavy lifting for you. A great tool for mechanics, farmers, or anyone who hauls big items. 10. Clearview Registered Pantry. This clever drawer-style pantry system slides out with organized shelves and a fold-out prep table. Perfect for meal prep on the go and a staple for overland builds or camp kitchens. 11. WeatherGuard. Known for industrial-strength storage solutions, WeatherGuard offers toolboxes, drawer units, and racks that are weather-resistant and theft-deterrent. Perfect for pros who need secure storage. 12. Autovox SolarOwn Pro. This solar-powered wireless backup camera installs easily and doesn't need hard wiring. Ideal for trucks without built-in cameras or anyone wanting better rear visibility with minimal install time. 13. Ford Super Duty Integrated Tailgate Step. A classic feature that still impresses. This tailgate step pops out with a grab handle, making it easy to climb into the bed, especially useful on lifted trucks or for heavy hauling days. 14. Isuzu D-Max Integrated Utility Tray. The Isuzu D-Max includes a built-in utility tray for storing tools and gear neatly inside the bed. It's integrated, secure, and perfectly organized for job site or trail use. 15. Jeetworks. Offering customizable bed systems, Jeetworks builds drawers, racks, and platforms that let you fully kit out your truck for work or play. Everything is modular so you can build what you need. 16. 454 Motorsports Bravo 2. This tray bed system is tough, powder-coated, and ready for hard work. With added tie-downs and built-in storage, it's ideal for off-roaders or tradespeople needing max durability and utility. 17. Real Truck Undercover Swing Case Toolbox. Mounted to the inner wheel well, this toolbox swings out over the tailgate for easy access. It's weather-sealed, lockable, and a smart use of that often wasted bed space. 18. Integral Truck Packout Panels. These panels let you mount Milwaukee Packout toolboxes directly into your truck bed. For pros using modular tool storage, it's a seamless way to keep everything secure and accessible. 19. Line Caravan Sabre. This slide-in camper transforms your pickup into a mobile home. Fully equipped with a bed, kitchenette, solar, and rugged construction, It's made for overlanding adventures with serious comfort. 20. More E4 bed replacement system ditched the standard bed for this complete modular overhaul. It includes track systems, tool mounts, and lockable compartments. Ideal for those building the ultimate overland or utility rig. 21. Black Widow ATV ramp. Need to load an ATV or mower. This trifold aluminum ramp is wide, strong, and grips well. It folds up small, making it easy to stash once your gear is loaded. 22. Real Trucker LS3 tonneau cover, sleek and secure. The RLS3 features remote locking, integrated lighting, and a flush design that protects your gear while looking premium. A great blend of security and style. 23. Nafate go-to for utility truck bodies. Nafate offers service bodies, toolboxes, and custom storage systems built to withstand the toughest job sites. It's the professional's choice for serious truck mods. 24. Clearview Tire Spider registered. This tool lifts and aligns spare tires with ease, especially helpful for oversized off-road tires that are tough to mount alone. A must-have for solo adventurers and off-roaders. 25. Truck Vault Field Ranger. This secure drawer system is perfect for storing firearms, gear, or expensive equipment. Rugged and lockable, it's ideal for field use by law enforcement, hunters, or outdoor pros. 26. Ecological Gap Shield. A simple fix with a big impact. The Gap Shield covers the space between your bed and tailgate to reduce drag and keep debris from flying out. Easy to install and super practical. 27. Ford bed extender. Need more room? Swing out the extender for hauling longer cargo or swing it in to help secure small items. It's a flexible solution for bikes, wood, or weekend gear. 28. Chevrolet Multiflex Midgate. Chevy's Multiflex Midgate lets you drop the rear seats and extend your cargo area into the cab. Great for carrying long gear like kayaks or lumber without a trailer. 29. Tiger Auto Gladiator Overlanding Bed Rack. This adjustable bed rack supports rooftop tents, recovery gear, and tools. Designed for overlanding and off-roading, it adds serious function and rugged style to your Gladiator. 30. Mabate Lockable Bed Storage Bin. This low-profile storage bin fits neatly in your bed and locks securely. Ideal for groceries, tools, or emergency gear. Plus, it doesn't eat into your main cargo space. 31. Armadillo Inflatable Bed Topper. Set up a weatherproof sleeping space in minutes. This inflatable topper adds insulation and keeps out wind and rain, making truck bed camping more comfortable and secure. 32. The ultimate hunting pickup built from the ground up for hunters. This rig includes a bed-mounted blind, gun storage, coolers, and camo wrap. It's stealthy, practical, and totally geared for backwoods missions. 33. Smitterbilt Fridge Slides. Need access to your fridge or gear without crawling into the bed. These heavy-duty slides extend and lock into place for convenience.